Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel. This is Tech Modeling and my name is Emmanuel. So in today's video we are going to be making a DC motor. A DC motor is basically like a device or an engine that converts electrical energy into mechanical energy to so right now I am going to be using nuts. These are 1.5 centimeter long nuts that will be drilling holes around this PVC pipe so I can be able to insert the nuts inside those holes. And now I'm using a commutator. This is a commutator from maybe another DC motor. I'm using a 2mm copper wire to wind these coils. Now here you have to listen very carefully so you won't be lost. Now as I'm doing, you have to strip off the end of the first coil, and after stripping it off, wrap it around the first commutator. Like the first commutator is the first part, or maybe the starting point where you start winding your coils. And after doing that, you go down to the screws or whatever you use as your armature. You go down there and wind the coils around the screws. Now here I'm winding the coils around two poles. Two poles are like two screws away from each other, so two poles, and I'm doing 15 turns. You can maybe choose your own turns, but since my copper wire has a lot of resistance, I'll have to go a little bit lower. So I'm doing 15 turns around two poles, as you can see here. And after doing the 15 turns around two poles, you go back up to the commutator, and right next to the previous one, right next to the previous coil you wound around the commutator, you strip off another end where you will have to wind around the commutator, and then after doing that, unwind your coil around two poles. So right here, I'm sorry guys, I lost a lot of clips, I lost a lot of videos while doing this one, but you can check out my previous video. Right there I explained very well how to wind this coil. So right now I'm using ferrite magnets. Ferrite magnets are those magnets that are usually black in color. So right here, all I'm doing is making a stand or something that will hold the armature up so that I can put the magnets around the armature. And make sure as I'm putting the magnets that are facing each other, north and south. Make sure the magnets are facing north and south. Here I'm using two PVC pipes so that I can hold up the magnets around the armature. As you can see, this is the armature all done, and now all I'm going to do is put the magnets right beside it. So as you can see here, the PVC pipe that I used as the base is actually contracting, or maybe the armature, the screws on the armature are attracting the magnets, making them to come a little bit closer. So to solve this problem, I'm going to use this piece of wood. I'm going to glue it down, glue the base down to this wood so that it will not contact again. Now you have to do is apply power to the commutators and enjoy the ride. As you're enjoying this ride, I want to tell you about today's sponsor. Actually, I don't have a sponsor. Moving on. Now, please, all you have to do is subscribe to my channel and like this video. I really need you guys support, and I really need your support. So like this video, comment down below what you want me to do next. See you in my next video. Goodbye.